To select a preloaded design from your Creative Stylist MN110, select the File button, and then select the butterfly with the lock icon, and select a design from above. The image of the design will be shown below. Press OK to load it to your machine. To select a design from a USB stick, insert your USB stick on the right side of the panel, select File, select the USB icon, select one of the designs above, then load to your machine with this icon above the Close button. Once it is loaded, you will select the machine icon and select the loaded design and press OK. With your complimentary Premiere Plus 2 software, you will need to print out a color information chart of every design to make sure that you have the color order correct for embroidery. Once you have this printed out, you will then select the colors on your machine. After your design is loaded, you will have to select the thread colors. Choose the 3-thread spool icon to do this. From here, you will select what number needle will stitch in what order. For this design, we will use 10 for the first color, 4 for the second color, and 8 for the last color. Then press OK. To adjust your embroidery design on screen or to select your hoop, select the Design Set icon. This icon will allow you to adjust the width of your design. This will allow you to adjust the height of your design. This will allow you to rotate your design 90 degrees. This will allow you to rotate your design by degree. You can replicate your design on screen horizontally. You can replicate it vertically. You can adjust the space in between the multiplied designs horizontally, and you can adjust the space in between the designs vertically. You can adjust the density of your design, and you can select the different hoop options. All hoops that come with your machine will be shown here, and you also have an other option if you get additional hoops. Press OK on the bottom right to see your adjustments on screen. To change the hoop of your design, select Design Set, and then the bottom right icon with the hoop. And all of the hoops that come with your machine are listed. For this design, we will be selecting hoop B, and then press OK. This bar comes with your machine. This is what you will attach your embroidery hoops to. You will need to loosen this screw to adjust this part of the bar. Make sure that this part of the bar lines up with these holes. When you select a new hoop on your screen, you may have to adjust this bar to fit the hoop. To do this, with the U shape on the right-hand side, you will insert this part of the hoop onto the bar. You will loosen these 2 screws and push the bar over to approximately where the hoop needs to be. You will then tighten these screws. Then remove the hoop entirely and make sure you are under the lip here on both sides. Until it clicks into place with the pegs facing up. To enter embroidery stitch out mode, select the locked icon at the bottom left of your screen, then press OK. You will then see a locked icon on the bottom left, a waiting icon right above that, and the start-stop button will be lit green. To start your embroidery, press this button. When a thread breaks on your Creative Stylist MN110, your machine will start an audible noise and the start-stop button will start flashing red. You will also see T break on the screen here. You will select T break to go forward or backward any stitches. If you missed stitching while the thread broke, you can go on float low to go stitch by stitch, or select that button again for float high, which will go back multiple stitches at once. Use the arrow buttons here to adjust your stitch position. On the top right of your screen, you will see an on-off button. Press this to turn the light of the embroidery area on or off. When your embroidery is finished, remove the hoop by placing your thumbs on the tabs and press up with your fingers from the bottom, then slide the hoop out.